What's up, everybody? Stixx here, Stixx Picks, back with another video. We are at the Concord Flea Market, that picking video. We woke up a little bit late again, like always, honestly. It seems like it's a recurring thing. We've been waking up around like 8 a lot recently, going to the Concord Flea Market. You're supposed to be there like 6:30, but I guess. How much are these Dragon Ball figures?
25.
Yeah. I just started a little bit ago. You guys have a good day.
Yeah.
How much on the Funko Pops?
Those are 10 bucks a piece.
All right.
Anthony, these are 10 bucks each, right?
Would you do these two for 15? I can pay full price, it's fine.
I can go 18 for you. I can go 18 for you.
All right, thank you.
Let me see which two you get. Which ones you taking?
Scream.
Both Scream and Saw. Hell yeah.
Yeah, I like those movies.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. All right, you guys, I really hope that this is what I was looking at. That'd be... What's up? How's it going?
Pretty good. What do you get?
These Funko Pops. This one says it's like $400 online, unless I'm lying.
And how much you get it for?
10 bucks each.
You're too good, man.
Dude, is this Scream really worth $150 and this Billy worth $450? There's no way, right? No way. No way. Dude, that's the pick of like a century, dude. No way. No way. I'm gonna bring these back to the car real quick first, honestly. Like, I wanna go. I don't want to hold these anymore. That's crazy. All right, I'll just keep walking around. That was a crazy buy. One of those is $450 and one of them's $150. And I paid 20 bucks. I paid 18 actually, to be exact. I really hope that's the price. Nice jewelry. I don't know if any of it's sterling though. If it was sterling, that would be cool. Yes, the stainless steel. Oh, these ones are sterling. How much?
50.
All right.
They're silver.
Yeah, and I see.
The others on the other table are 10.
Yeah, these are some nice rings.
Yeah, they are.
This one says 10 KT. Does this mean it's like gold plated,
the yellow
or?
ones are 10 karat. The silver ones are 925 silver.
Do you know if this is gold or gold plated?
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know the difference either. Looking at it.
Yeah, and then you couldn't call me, and I was like,
Thank you.
I had like, you know that feeling like,
Hizo la cambiaron, vamos a hacer el cambio.
Allá al parque de Tecuma
How much on the rings?
y recogía las morritas de 22 años.
Well, which one? This is many different prices.
Yeah, okay, my bad. I was just asking like general.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Let me know what one and I
All right.
tell you the price.
Oh, this one.
Lo que pasa es que mientras no tomes alcohol. Ah, cabrón, valió madre. Oh, está bien.
25.
Este ya se me cargó la chingada igual que a mí.
Ah, pero ya valimos entonces.
Yeah, it's fucking his dad.
Oh, you got the rest of the Funko Pops?
Yeah.
I saw those. I only got like 2.
Oh, so you're the one that
Yeah.
ran out with the 2. What 2 did you get?
I got Scream and Saw.
Oh yeah, those were good ones.
What was like the OG one? I didn't know if the rest of them were worth it. I'm not too big on Funko Pops, so they're good though?
Yeah.
It was a good deal?
Good too. Yeah, hell yeah.
Dang, it's cool to see. Somebody else bought the rest. I should have just bought them all, honestly. Yeah, I don't know. I should have really just bought them all. It's fine, no point thinking about it. I really think I got the best deal. I didn't really look at all of them, but I think that $450 Funko Pop really tops that off. More Funko Pops, guys. Mewtwo, honestly, this is a keeping one, I think. I love Pokemon. How much are the Funko Pops?
I got them at $10 a piece or 3 for 25.
All right. Let's get this one.
Okay, cool. Thank you, man.
Thank you. All right, you got a little Mewtwo Funko Pop. I don't know if I want to keep this or resell it. I could resell it for $40 if I felt like it. Or I can keep it. We'll decide. I'll still think about it. I just know that these sell for good money. That's why I usually like to walk up to them and scan them. I just know personally. A lot of people just sell them for like $10 a piece, you know? Like all of them $10 a piece. When most of them realistically are like $10 to $15 a piece, but some of them out of nowhere, like 40 bucks, and like one couple I found today, 150. Yo, what's up? You got some Pokemon packs?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can get one.
What's up, brother?
Let's see if we can pull something good today.
How you been?
I've been alright. I got good little picks today. Got a few Funko Pops.
Who has it?
They're all gone. Someone already bought them all.
Look at the condition of this one.
That Mewtwo one's pretty cool. I don't even know if I want to keep that one or not. I don't know if I want to sell it or keep it.
You saw the resale of it already?
Yeah, it sells for 45 online.
yeah.
I bought it for 10 bucks. Everyone sells them for 10 bucks. I didn't really know the prices of these.
Yeah, I try to collect all the Fortnite ones.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I got a little crazy one.
I have like every Dragon Ball one. Like every Dragon Ball character, I have one of these.
Yeah, no, I like them.
Yeah, they're cool. Everyone just thinks they're like 10 bucks a piece, which a lot of them are, but some of them are so crazy.
Dude.
Some of them are crazy.
Hook you up one time, give you 3 of these for 20. I sell these for 10, bro. You know, $5 pack.
Yeah.
But I give you 3 of these for 10, or 3 of these for 20.
How much are your booster packs?
40 and 50.
My sister usually buys this. I think the Pokemon Go set was pretty good.
Yeah. I had 3 of them earlier, bro. This is my last one, actually.
Oh, wow, really?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah. How much for one?
just $5, bro.
Let's see if I can get lucky. I've opened like 6 packs for my videos so far in total. I've not gotten one good.
I watched your you go a lot to Stockton one, huh?
Yeah, there's no real Pokemon packs at Stockton. All right, let's see what we got.
Let's see what we get.
Oh, I messed it up. I think I already saw full art back there.
Oh,
You can see it. Oh, what's back there? Let's just go fast. Hey, we got something. Hey, it's a V. Not crazy, but nothing bad. Let's go.
Appreciate you stopping by, Stixx.
Hey, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you for the deals. All right, y'all. I don't know if I'll get any more picks for the day. Looks like I only bought Funko Pops. I only bought toys again today. Hey, but Funko Pops are genuinely pretty good, like, sale. Especially the flea market. Everyone sells them for like $10 a piece. Because they don't really think that it's like worth it, you know? I mean, I wouldn't lie, like a lot of them are worth like 10 or 15, but I don't know where like some of them were like really expensive. It's because people want them, I guess maybe rarer. I don't know. All right, y'all, Stixx Picks out. Good video. I mean, that was actually a great video, like at least like picking wise. I didn't buy a lot, but if those sell for like what they sell for, that's my best deal yet. It's my best like sales yet. So we'll see. You guys will see like by the time I post it if it's a genuine like Funko Pop. It should be, right? Like it's all plastic sealed. But thank you for watching. I appreciate it, especially if you're watching the outro. That means you've watched the whole video. I appreciate you for that. And I'll see you the next